好，Hello，大家好，又係我 Mr. Wong 啦。咁之前呢，我係啦，就前幾集就拍咗一啲即係唔係太關英文事嘅嘢啦。咁我見咁耐都冇講英文，就不如索性拍翻集講翻英文嘅。同埋嗰陣時拍第一集嗰陣時呢，有埋下咗一個少少嘅伏筆啦，就係會講話點樣將大學英文應用翻喺 DSE 身上，係啦。咁所以今日呢，我就想同大家講一個 topic，就係 DSE 好常見嘅 referencing，就係我哋平時做reading 嘅時候咧，一定會見到嘅 referencing。咁我哋好快咁即係睇翻我哋之前第一集講過啲咩啦，係啦。咁第一集我哋講過英文，我哋有三種嘅 referencing 啦，一種叫 anaphoric，第二種叫 cataphoric，第三種叫 exophoric。咁呢三種個分別咧，就係在於佢哋嘅 prefix 啦，係啦，唔同嘅。咁之前都有解釋過啦，就係 ana 就係解 up 啦、back 啦，cata 就係 down 啦，exo 就係 outside，係啦。呢個之前都有講過噶啦。咁今日咧，我就想同大家攞一份 DSE 嘅 practice paper 去做練習啦，去睇一睇我哋點樣可以應用到呢個 knowledge 去幫我哋做呢個 referencing questions。不過喺講呢個之前呢，我想同大家講一個好重要嘅嘢啦，就係我哋答 referencing 嘅題目嘅時候呢，其實我哋只係得兩種可能性嘅啫。第一種就係你要答一個 noun phrase，係啦，即係可能當佢問你 What does him refer to？What does that refer to？What does there refer to？咁你就要答一個 noun phrase 啦。而可能佢本身喺文本入邊咧，佢未必係一個 noun phrase 嚟嘅，可能佢俾咗一個 verb phrase 係啦，verb phrase。咁係啦，我唔知大家有冇專心留心聽你英文老師講啦。咁究竟點樣將一個 verb phrase 變成一個 noun phrase 咧？係啦，俾大家少少時間諗下先。係啦，就係我哋加 ing 啦，係啦，加 ing，將佢變成一個 gerund，係啦，一個 gerund。又或者咧，可能你個答案咧係 a chunk of sentences，一句成完整嘅句子咁樣，咁咧你就可以前面加 the fact that， 係啦，而將佢變成一個 noun phrase 啦。咁呢個係好緊要嘅，係啦。而第二種 referencing 咧，我哋就稱之佢為 possessive 啦，就 what does his refer to，what does her refer to，what does my refer to 咁樣，係啦。咁呢類嘅題目咧，我哋就要加 apostrophe s or s apostrophe， 係啦。咁分別係咩咧？apostrophe s 咧，我哋係用喺 singular nouns，s apostrophe 咧，我哋用喺 plural nouns。OK，咁有一個問題啦，如果係人名 which ends in s， 咁我哋要點咧？即係例如 Steve Jobs 咁樣。咁 Steve Jobs 究竟佢係咁樣啊，定係咁樣呢？嗱，大家又點睇呢？咁其實兩個都啱嘅，係啦。我自己就會傾向用呢個多啲，但係其實兩種都係正確嘅咁樣係，所以冇分啦。係啦，咁你記得只要你加咗 s apostrophe 啊 apostrophe s 咁就得啦，係啦。好，咁我哋一齊睇下啲題目啦。咁我哋揀咗呢個 DSE practice paper 一齊去做啦。OK，咁第一題，according to line 9，who are these people？ 咁我幫大家揀咗 these people。咁你記得咧，你做 reading 嘅時候咧，我自己咧好中意用 highlighter 嘅。咁所以你一定要 highlight。咁有啲人會覺得highlight 好無謂喎，咁點解無啦啦要 highlight 呢？就係方便你之後你寫完個答案，你想睇翻嘅時候，你就可以睇翻即係呢一個位我究竟啱唔啱呢？咁樣係啦。咁其實係方便你去 check 卷嘅，check 卷。OK，咁所以大家做 reading 嘅時候，記得拎定支 highlighter 出嚟啦。好。咁我哋睇下呢個咯，OK？For all these people，咁究竟佢係指緊啲咩呢？逢親你見到 these、that、this，係 係啦，呢啲啦，OK，我哋叫一個 determiner，OK，你就一定100%係 anaphoric，OK，must be anaphoric，係啦，OK，同埋 anaphoric referencing 咧，我可以同你講，佢係佔咗80% 左右啦，即係大部分嘅問題咧，其實佢都係 anaphoric reference 嘅。咁所以你 master 咗呢個咧，基本上你嘅 referencing 係已經冇乜問題㗎啦，係啦，即係大部分嘅 reference 其實都係 anaphoric 嘅。好，咁我哋咪睇咯，OK，睇翻轉頭，咁 OK，5 million people visit Ocean Park annually。咁係咪就係呢個咧？咁嗱，我哋要將佢變翻一個 noun phrase 啊嘛。咁係啦，呢個係一個句子嚟㗎嘛，係咪？5 million people visit Ocean Park annually。咁你想講哦，呢500萬人，咁我哋咪加個 who 喺呢度咯。我哋係指緊呢個啊嘛，係咪？咁我哋加個 who 喺度，係啦。咁其實我啱啱講嘅咧，全部都係 fake 你嘅。呢個咧係錯嘅，OK，is wrong。我哋睇真少少，佢有前面 these people 咧，佢有呢個 all，OK，all。所以咧呢個都係 reading tip number 2，就係我哋要睇成句，係啦，就唔係淨係睇 part of a sentence。我哋啱啱咧就做咗啲咩咧？就係我哋就係睇咗呢度啊嘛，係咪？但係我哋冇睇晒成句，OK？咁我哋睇晒成句咯喎，咁個句子喺邊度開始啊？呢度係咪 worldwide 到呢度 ？OK？Worldwide, good zoos and aquariums host over 600 million visitors each year, and in Hong Kong alone, close to 5 million people visit Ocean Park annually. OK，咁所以個答案係咩呢？好，俾3秒時間大家諗。3、2、1，係啦，就係呢個啦。6 million visitors. 6 million visitors of what? Of zoos and aquariums. OK。咁所以個答案咧就係600 million visitors to zoos and aquariums。OK，所以你答嗰個5 million visitors who visit Ocean Park annually 係錯啦，你都唔可以就咁答 visitors 啦，都係錯嘅。OK，因為你就咁答 visitors 咧，佢就太 vague 啦。所以咧，你答 reference 嘅時候咧，記住你要係 specific，係啦，呢個係最 specific 嘅答案嚟嘅，因為佢有6 million 啦。To zoos and aquariums 係啦，咁就冇呢個 ambiguity 啦，係啦，同埋你做完之後咧，你嘗試代入，好似做數學咁樣，你將呢個代入翻呢個 all these people，就係 for the 600 million visitors to zoos and aquariums, zoos and aquariums are a resource for wildlife education 咁樣，咁你 make sense 通順就可以啦，OK？咁所以你要 specific 啦，你要代入到啦，OK？係啦，咁就係咁啦。咁我睇下呢個 cataphoric 咯，OK？What does there in line 48 refer to？咁呢個你要小心啦，今次咧佢係問 there 啦，所以你答嘅咧應該要係一個 possessive 啦，即係有 apostrophe s 啦，或者 s apostrophe，而 there 係眾數啊嘛，係咪？所以我哋今次就要用 s apostrophe 啦。咁我哋一睇嘅時候咧，通常第一步咧都係向上睇先嘅，OK？向上睇揾唔到，先向下睇，向下睇都冇，先向出去睇，OK？係啦。咁我哋一齊睇下咯。咁向上睇先啦。These findings echo those of a study conducted at Ocean Park about our dolphin interactive program, where 3 months after their participation，咁你揾唔揾到答案呢？你揾唔到嘅係咪？你都唔會知 there 係講緊邊個啦，因為佢上面冇講啦。咁我哋繼續睇咯。Guests positive attitudes towards the environment were still stronger than before the program。係啦，咁我俾5秒啦，5秒時間，大家諗下個答案係咩？係啦，個答案咧就係 guests 啦，係啦，呢個 there 係 refer to guests。咁佢個 marking scheme 咧，因為佢係 practice paper 啦，佢會鬆手少少嘅，咁所以你答呢個咧，即係冇 apostrophe 佢都話俾分你係啦，但係咧最好啦，加翻個 apostrophe 俾佢，咁就最靚仔啦。所以答案就係 guest 啦，呢個 guest，OK。而第三種最難嘅咧就係 exophoric。exophoric referencing 嘅意思咧就係篇文揾唔到，OK，can't find in the text。你只要靠你自己嘅 knowledge 啦，去 guess 係啦，去 guess 啦，去 guess，去指緊啲咩啦，OK。咁我哋一齊睇下咯。Saving the planet's biodiversity is increasingly more challenging. It is through good zoos and aquariums that children, families, and communities can meet nature's ambassadors. Through these connections, they will help save the wild places and wild animals so that future generations will appreciate the thrill of nature. 慎防大家唔知咩叫 ambassador 啦，佢嘅意思係大使啊，係啦。即係通常你有個目標，即係 English ambassador、IT ambassador， 英文大使、IT 大使咁樣。咁 nature 就係大自然啦，係啦。咁大自然嘅大使即係咩啊？係啦，咁大家要諗下啦。咁佢呢度佢係講緊 zoos and aquariums 啫嘛，係咪？咁 It is through good zoos and aquariums that children, families, and communities can meet nature's ambassadors。咁喺好嘅動物園或者水族館，你可以遇見大自然嘅大使。咁呢啲大使咪即係講緊動物咯 ，animals 咯，係咪？係啦。咁所以呢個要自己大家去諗一諗啦，OK？咁今堂比較短嘅，我哋就講到差唔多啦，係啦。如果大家都中意，可能想我講翻啲 DSE related 嘅 topics 啊，想我講下唔知咩分卷嘅 tips and tricks 咧，咁就留言話俾我聽啦。好，咁今集係差唔多啦，拜拜。